Hi, my name is Anthony and this is my video demonstration for task 6.1 on polymorphism. In this task, I created a bird base class and two subclasses, penguin and duck. I demonstrated inheritance, method overriding, polymorphism using a list of bird objects and covariance using IE numerable. Here in my bird class, this is the base class. It contains a property called name and virtual method called fly. Name and virtual method fly. The fly method prints flap, flap, flap. I also override toString method so that when a bird object is printed, it returns information about the bird instead of the default object description. My penguin class is here. So this penguin class inherits from bird class using inheritance. It overrides the fly method because penguins cannot fly. This demonstrates method overriding, where a subclass provides its own implementation of a method inherited from a parent class. It also overrides toString to provide penguin-specific output. So here, penguins cannot fly, and the toString penguin-specific output there. I will now open my duck class. Here is the duck class. It also inherits from bird. It contains additional properties called size and kind. The duck class overrides toString so that it can display the duck's name, size, and type. This shows how subclasses can extend the functionality of a base class. Here is the program file. In the main method, I created bird, penguin, and duck objects. See the bird, penguin, and duck. Bird, penguin, and duck. This is an example of polymorphism because penguin and duck objects can be treated as bird objects since they inherit from bird. The list therefore store objects of different subclasses. When I use the for each loop and print each object, the appropriate toString method is called depending on the actual object type. Here at the, so where's the list gone? Here. So there, and for each, this is where polymorphism is demonstrated in my solution. Here, and here, and here. So these two, I demonstrated covariance. First I created a list of duck objects, and then I assigned that list to an IE enumerable of a bird. Because the duck inherits from bird, C# allows this conversion through covariance. Finally, I used the add range to add all duck objects into the bird collection. I will show you my output now. So when I run the application, it shows each object displayed correctly. The bird, penguin, and duck classes all use their own overridden toString methods, which further proves that inheritance and polymorphism are working correctly. That is all for my demonstration for the task. Thank you for your time.